Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today is the day we finally installed the bags. I've been waiting nearly like 2 months for this because I broke the fitting on one of the bags, but we're finally gonna be doing it, and I have help from a couple of my friends right here. You guys can see just them over there. So they want to learn how to install bags as well, so I'm gonna be teaching them how to do so. So let's get right into it. So the first thing I did was that I mounted the tank onto the trunk board, so it'll be easier, it won't slide around. And I'm going to be doing the same thing with the air compressor. So the air compressor is going to be connected right here. So this is the inwards, so this is outside the car, and then it's towards inside the car. So the compressor is going to be sitting right here, and then the rest will be sitting in there. And I'll show you guys how I'm going to be running the lines for the rear and the front. So it's going to be very simple. Alright, so everything is all connected. You can see that the pressure switches has been connected to the relay right here. This is the power, this is the line to the compressor, and then this is the ground, and then this is to the pressure switch, and this one's connected to the power outlet wire, which goes through there, through here, into that. And then it's gonna be all tucked away by unscrewing this, and then you just tuck it out underneath of it. And then front line has been routed through there, and then it's connected through here. Right now, the only issue is that I dropped the bolt for the battery terminal down in the engine bay. Now I'm just trying to find it so it could connect the battery to see if it works or not. So I'll be right back with that. So the lines for the front goes from up there down here just go through here. It's not fully set yet because I still want to see if it works, check for any leaks. So same as for the rears, they're there, and it goes through there, it goes under here. I can't lift it up right now, so I'll show you guys in a bit. So the power wire technically goes through here, and I have it tucked away underneath this whole entire thing, and then it runs through the back seat right there, as you guys can see. And that's the best spot to put it in so it won't interfere with the bottom seat cover. So since this is already like basically kind of need to check this in a little bit more. Okay, so I'm just gonna put everything back like that, and then just wait to see if this turns on. So since I'm waiting for my friend to come so he can bring me the extra bolt for the battery terminal, I'm gonna put everything back together slightly. So let's see how it goes. All right guys, update on the air suspension. So to let you guys know, it didn't work out because what I found out about the Prelude is that there were a lot of wires that were messed up, not from the kit itself, but from the previous owner. So I found out that the previous owner tampered with a lot of wiring and the fuses. So luckily the fuses are kind of like back where they belong, and they still function the same. But with the wires up past it, it's just completely messed up. Like a lot has been spliced, a lot has been cut, and a lot has been tapped with a lot of things. So if you guys saw my previous couple of videos on the Prelude when I first got it, I had to rip out a lot of wires. And what I know when I got the car was that subwoofers were installed. There were some interior lighting that was tapped into as well, and then the front headlights and the rear headlights. And then on top of that, there was an alarm system he installed himself. It wasn't by a shop, so I noticed that right off the bat. But I did not know this was gonna be like a huge issue. So luckily the car still performs as is, but I'm not able to run the air suspension kit on the Prelude at all, since it's not giving me any type of reception or voltage to the pressure switch and directly to the fuse. So it's not working properly. And then on top of that, to let you guys know, I did tap into multiple wires and fuses, nothing worked. And I strongly believe it's the Prelude that's preventing it from functioning. So as of right now, I have I have a buyer that should be picking up in a couple of hours. But if you guys want to know if this is still up for sale, it's a stage 1 kit. It comes with everything. Everything is already set to go. It's ready. It's basically ready to be installed. And then the goodies is that it comes with extra hardware, upgraded fittings, and then on top of that, anti-seize has been added to the thread, so it won't seize as like in the long run. And then it comes with a bracket, and then yeah, everything is basically all put together for you guys. Not you guys, but for whoever who wants to purchase it, you guys could just directly put it in. So the guy will be coming to pick this up in a couple hours. So yeah, that's gonna be today's video basically. Waited 2 months for this, and it was just completely disregarded about the fact that like it's not functional. So to let you guys know, I am gonna be getting coilovers once this is sold. Gonna be doing more videos on Prelude after this video, so hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.